Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat login or account access problem on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Snapchat needs a strong and stable connection to log in. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi, mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Next, make sure your login details are correct. Double check your username, email, or phone number and your password. If you forget your password, tap forget password and follow the instruction to reset it. Next, close and reopen the Snapchat. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Find Snapchat and swipe it away to close it completely. Wait a few seconds and then open the app and try logging in again. Next, update the Snapchat. Open the App Store, search for Snapchat and tap update if available. App updates often fix login issues. Finally, check Snapchat server status. Sometimes login problems happen because Snapchat servers are down. If that's the case, waiting a little while the only solution. And that's it. This step should fix Snapchat login or account access problem on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.